Hi everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at conquering sciatic nerve pain naturally. Many people experience sciatic nerve pain at some point of their lives. In the United States, sciatic nerve pain radiating from lower back down one or both legs is a common condition. It is most common in people between ages 30 to 50 and over. Sciatica is often associated with lower back pain, a leading cause of disability in the United States. It contributes significantly to global burden of pain and disability. Although many recover within weeks or months, a significant portion of patients experience persistent, recurrent, or chronic pain, impacting their quality of life. The Department of Veterans Affairs rates the disability for sciatica based on the severity of pain, ranging from 10% as being mild to 80% as complete paralysis. Now let's look at definition of sciatic nerve pain. The sciatic nerve provides sensation and controls muscle movement in the lower leg and foot. Is the longest nerve in the body that originates in the lower back and travels down the back of each leg. Sciatic pain or sciatica is the pain that travels along the sciatic nerve from the lower back down the leg into the foot, which can cause by a pressure or damage to the sciatic nerve or its root in the lower back. Now let's look at signs and symptoms of sciatic nerve pain. Although symptoms vary, common symptoms are: number 1, pain that can range from a mild ache to sharp burning jolt-like radiating pain that travels down the back of the leg to the foot. 2, muscle weakness in the leg or foot. 3, numbness, tingling, prickling like pins and needles, or loss of sensation in the affected side or leg. Lastly, coughing, sneezing, bending, walking, or specific movement can worsen pain. Now let's look at effective method of healing. When you want to effectively heal any diseases, pain, or suffering, first of all, you need to find out or ascertain the cause or causes. Number 2, you have to remove, change, or correct anything and everything that causes. Number 3, you need to assist nature to expel impurities, toxins, and waste from the body. Lastly, you need to re-establish the right health principles. Now let's look at the first effective method of healing: to ascertain or find the cause or causes. Number 1, according to Dr. Berg, number 1, vitamin D deficiency. Number 2, magnesium deficiency. Number 3, vitamin B12 deficiency. 4, herniated disc, like slipped or bulging disc, happens when the nucleus pushes out and presses on nearby nerve that causes pain, numbness, or weakness due to age-related degeneration, injury, or repetitive strain. 5, piriformis syndrome. When the piriformis muscle, which is a small muscle in the buttocks, compresses the sciatic nerve, it causes pain, numbness, radiate down the leg. It could be due to injury, trauma, overuse, like running, walking, climbing, or muscle spasm or tightness, or inflammation or scar tissue in the piriformis muscle. 6, spinal stenosis, a condition where the spaces within the spine narrow, putting pressure on the spinal cord or nerve roots. This narrowing can cause pain, numbness, weakness due to aging, wear and tear on the spine, or injury or congenital condition, especially when you are born with a narrower spinal canal. Number 7, others like age. When we get older, we have more like degeneration and wear and tear, or genetics, because we inherited our parents or grandparents' unhealthful, harmful diet or habits or lifestyle that can weaken, inflame, and damage our disc muscles. Or physical activities like lifting, climbing, running, prolonged sitting, or certain occupation like truck driving, heavy lift, eating or exercise too much, inflammation causing diets, habits, lifestyle, or bone spurs or injuries, or repetitive strains, or osteoporosis, or certain tumors that can cause sciatic nerve pain. Let's look at second effective method of healing. Remove, change, or correct everything that causes sciatic nerve pain. So remove, correct, or change any habit, diets, or lifestyle that causes pain. Let's look at the third effective method of healing. To expel impurities, toxins, and waste, because all those impurities, toxins, and waste are the ones that causing inflammation and pain. There are a lot of detoxification processes or methods, but I would like to share with you very simple and effective method of detox or cleansing. It takes 3 days to do that. On those 3 days, you will eat only watermelon, antelope, honeydew, or any other cleansing food. It could be vegetables too, like dandelion greens, cilantro, spirulina, chlorella, beetroot, lemons, coconut water. Take no animal intestinal bowel cleanser, cascara sagrada, slippery elm, psyllium husk, senna, tamarind juice, prune juice, any natural laxatives. Take it a night before enema and do enema 3 times a day for 3 days. And the solution, take a good sized bulb of garlic, peel it and blend it in 2 cups of distilled water. Squeeze a lemon or 2 and the juice added to the garlic and water. Strain the garlic and lemon water. Use about 8 ounces for each enema, once in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. The last effective method of healing, to re-establish the right health principles. God's health principles, they promote good health, that is, good blood and good circulation. There are 8 of them. Number 1, godly trust. Exodus 15:26, God says, I am the Lord that heals you. So just ask God to heal us, and we can follow his health principles like we follow and obey doctor's orders, because God is our doctor. And godly trust helps boost immune system. 2, open fresh air. Getting fresh air outside or being active is very good for general well-being, stress reduction, and it positively impacts pain management. And walking and other low-impact activities in the fresh air helps improve mood, circulation, flexibility, which potentially aiding in sciatic relief. Thirdly, daily exercise. Exercise offers several benefits for managing sciatica because it helps improve flexibility and increase blood flow, strengthens supporting muscles that helps alleviate pain, and helps reduce pressure on the sciatic nerve, and helps improve mobility and help release endorphins like natural pain reliever to ease discomfort and reduce the overall perception of pain. 4, sunshine helps reduce inflammation, support nerve health, relieve pain by supporting muscle and bone health. So it helps put less pressure on the sciatic nerve and helps reduce pain. Reduce pain sensitization, that means cause you to feel less intense pain. 5thly, proper rest or sleep is very crucial for sciatica because sleep allows the body to repair, heal tissues, muscles, discs, and regulate pain. Healing improves mood and anxiety. It positively impacts pain perception, reducing the effect of sciatica. 6, lots of pure water. Adequate water intake helps reduce pain and inflammation and helps keep spinal discs hydrated and helps support muscle function, improves circulation, all of which helps improve sciatic nerve compression and provide enough nutrients and oxygen to spinal disc and sciatic nerve. 7, temperance. Exercising temperance helps you to avoid or shun any unhelpful, harmful diets, lifestyle, and habits, and helps you determine and obey and follow health principles which accelerate the healing process. Number 8, nutrition. Genesis 1:29 and Genesis 3:18. God gave us fruits, nuts, grains, vegetables, herbs, and spices which provide all the essential nutrients and vitamins that we need for health and healing. For example, they can significantly contribute to managing sciatica pain by reducing inflammation, supporting nerve health, promoting muscle relaxation. For example, omega-3 fatty acids like flax and walnuts and all, good for anti-inflammatory, and turmeric and ginger too. And vitamin B12, B6, they are good for nerve function and reducing inflammation. And magnesium for muscle relaxation and nerve pain relief. Now let's look at food sources of nutrients for sciatic nerve. Number 1, omega-3 fatty acids like chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, walnuts, soybean, edamame, sea vegetables, green leafy, and avocados. Vitamin C like citrus like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, bell peppers, strawberries, kiwi, tomatoes, broccoli, cantaloupe, mangoes, papayas, guavas, pineapples, Brussels sprouts, and parsley. And magnesium like natto, pumpkin seeds, banana, spinach, cashews, almonds, buckwheat, groats, lima beans, brown rice, pistachios, figs, sunflower seeds, and leafy greens. Vitamin B12, avocados, leafy greens, nutritional yeast, barley, mushrooms, raisins, dates, beetroot, alfalfa, sesame, dandelion, bladderwrack, tempeh, blackstrap molasses, black grams, and chickpeas. Vitamin E, like nuts like almonds, hazel, pine nuts, sunflower seeds, avocados, kiwi, mango, spinach, butternut, squash, turnips, and red bell peppers. Vitamin B6, banana, avocado, chickpeas, legumes, spinach, squash, carrots, papaya, cantaloupe, bell peppers, sweet potatoes, sunflower seeds, pistachios, and shiitake mushrooms. Spices like cayenne, turmeric, ginger, garlic, black cumin seed oil, oregano, thyme, peppermint, cinnamon, rosemary, sage, saffron. Herbs like devil's claw, turmeric, bromelain, ginger, garlic, white willow, capsaicin, St. John's wort, black cumin oil. And food supplements like Better Than Greens, spirulina, chlorella, sea moss, moringa, wheatgrass, milk thistle. Now let's look at natural remedies besides God's natural health laws. Number 1, avoid inflammation causing food, habits, or lifestyle, especially food like sugar, caffeine, refined carbohydrates, smoking, alcohol, fried food, unhealthy oil, ultra-processed food. Number 2, try to get sun exposure at least 30 to 45 minutes a day when the sun is not too hot. 3, you can either make tea or take these herbs like devil's claw, turmeric, ginger, pineapples, lemongrass, white willow. 4, hot and cold shower. As soon as you go in the shower, turn on the as hot as you can take for 3 minutes, and then as cold as you can take for 30 seconds, and then back to hot 3 minutes and cold to 30 seconds, and repeat this process from 3 to 5 times and end with cold shower. 5, exercise or stretches help strengthen muscles or improve flexibility or relieve pressure on the nerve. 6, massage. It's a kind of passive exercise. Like my teacher, an herbalist, when one lady who had sciatic nerve pain for over 15 years, walking using cane due to the pain, he massaged her with cayenne pepper and olive oil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then after that, she could walk without using her cane anymore. 7, poultice. You can do ginger poultice. Grate ginger and put in either paper towel or a white piece of cloth. Then wrap it where the pain is. Use saran wrap or band-aid wrap. Or you can do cabbage poultice. Grate some cabbage, add a table or 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt and 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you blend it and you put it in a white piece of cloth and put it where your sciatic nerve pain is and wrap it with saran wrap. Leave it on for about 8 hours or so. Repeat it every day until your pain is gone. You can add some hot water bag or heat pad, or you can do fermentation while you have the poultice on. For fermentation, you can take some towels and you put one towel on the sciatic nerve pain with the poultice on, and then the rest of the towel you can heat it either in microwave or on the hot fire. Squeeze the water out and put it on the poultice, the pain area, then cover with other towels or blanket. Keep repeating it about 4 to 5 hot towels, and it should help with your pain. Number 8, take vitamin D3, 20,000 to 30,000 IU a day. Vitamin B12, 1,000 mcg a day. Magnesium, 800 milligram 2 times a day. Cayenne pepper, you can take it. Turmeric, devil's claw, white willow, ginger, garlic, bromelain, methylcobalamin, which is vitamin B12 for vegans, until your sciatic nerve pain is gone. If it has become so unbearable, you can go to chiropractor or physical therapist or acupuncturist. Friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now until my next video. God bless.